Welcome students. Today the problem is cash flow statement. Problem number numeric question exercise number 8. So from the following balance of Tiger Super Steel Limited, prepare cash flow statement. Balance sheet is given, equity and liability, and assets also given. Note to accounts: 1 share capital, 2 reserves and surpluses, 3 trade payable, 4, 5, 6. Only 2 adjustment. Depreciation charge on land and building and plant. You must prepare necessary ledger account for every additional information. In this problem, first land and building, then plant. So first adjustment, depreciation charge on land and building. So land and building account, opening balance given in 4 to account, I think, yes. So land and building is opening balance 40,000 and the closing balance is 20,000. So sixth note to account, tangible assets, land and building. Last year balance is 40,000, current year balance 20,000. So depreciation charge 20,000. So there is no balancing figure in land and building account. So there is no purchase and there is no sales in land and building. But in plant account, the opening balance given as 36,000, closing balance 76,400 rupees. In note to account, point number 6 in tangible assets. So now the balancing figure comes in plant account in debit side. So the balancing figure is called purchase. So in this year, plant purchased for 50,400. So there is no balancing figure in land and building account, but balancing figure in plant account comes in debit side. So debit side balancing figure is purchase because debit what comes in. So in this year, plant purchased for 50,400 rupees. So the next term, profit before tax and extraordinary item. So in this problem, so reserves and short-term reserves and surplus. Roman letter 1, equity and liability, reserves surplus. Point number 2. Note to account point number 2. Balance sheet statement of P&L account. Current year balance is 10,800. Last year balance is 7,200. So current year profit is 3,600 from this. 1. Transfer to general reserve. So where is general reserve is given? General reserve given in note to account number 2. Last year general reserve is 8,000, but the current year general is 12,000. For this year transfer to general reserve is 4,000. Then next is what? Proposed dividend. Proposed dividend is where short-term provisions, current liability A, B, C. Note number 5. Come to note number 5. There is 2 provision. One is provision for tax and another one is proposed dividend. There is no adjustment in proposed dividend and also provision for tax. So last year balance is paid in this year. Current year balance is provided for next year. So proposed dividend. So current year proposed dividend provided for 15,600 as well as provision for tax provided for current year is 12,800. So proposed dividend and provision tax provided for this year, but paid in next year. Okay. So net profit. So the net profit before tax and extraordinary item is 36,000. So cash flow statement for the year ended 31/3/2017 for Tiger Super Steel Limited. So number 1, cash flow from operating activity, Roman letter 1. You start with profit before tax and extraordinary item 36,000. So the next adjustment is adjustment for non-cash and non-operating item. So in this problem, depreciation charge, that is non-cash item for land 20,000 and plant 10,000. So one more information in intangible assets, that is goodwill. So goodwill is reduced. So 5,200 rupees is goodwill is reduced. Goodwill reduced means written off goodwill. So 71,200 is the balance. So this is called what, sir? Operating profit before working capital. So this 71,200 is called operating profit before working capital. Now come to the adjustment in current assets and current liability. So in this problem, first in current liability, trade payable increased. When current liability increased, that is cash flow plus. So next, decrease in other current liability. So decreased in mean current liability paid, that is cash outflow. So 800 rupees. And another one is, there are two current liability come into current asset side. Inventory is decreased. Decreased in inventory. So inventory decreased mean sale of inventory. When you sold the inventory, that is cash flow. So plus. Then increase in trade receivable. So that is subtract. So from 71,200 you add 7,200 and 2,800. From those you subtract 800 and 13,200. So the total is 67,200. 71,200 plus 7,200 plus 2,800 minus 800 minus 13,200. So 67,200 is the balancing figure. From this, you subtract tax paid. Tax paid in provision for tax account. So provision for tax, there is no adjustment in provision for tax. So last year provision for tax is paid this year. That is 11,200. So cash flow from operating activity. So cash flow from operating activity is 56,000. So then Roman letter 2, cash flow from investing activity. So in this problem, already plant account prepared for our case. In ledger of plant account, one balance is 50,400 rupees, that is purchase of plant, and another one is long term investment 10,000, that is also bought for investment rupees 10,000. So total cash used for investing activity 60,400. Then the Roman letter 3 is cash flow from finance activity. So finance activity include proprietors fund and long term liability. In this problem, first you will look equity share capital. Ratio of equity shares. The ratio of equity shares is following. Note to account number 1. Ratio of equity share capital. Last year balance is 8,000. Current year balance is 1,20,000. So for this year, equity share issued rupees 40,000. And again, note to account 1, 10% preference share capital. Last year balance is 40,000, but the current year balance is only 20,000. So 20,000 rupees is repaid. Repaid preference share capital. So preference share capital repaid 20,000. So again looking long-term liability. In long-term liability, there is no long-term liability in this problem. Yes, there is no changes. There is no long-term liability information. Then one more thing is proposed dividend paid. So last year proposed dividend is paid this year. So last year proposed dividend is what? Last year proposed dividend is 11,200 rupees. So from 40,000 you subtract this and this. So this is cash flow from finance activity. So that is what? 8,800. So net increase in cash and cash equivalent. Roman letter 1, cash flow from operating activity 56,000. Roman letter 2, cash used for investing activity. Cash used for investing activities 60,400. Then Roman letter 3, cash flow from finance activity. In finance activity, we receive 8,800 rupees. So 56,000 plus 8,800 minus 60,400 is 4,400 rupees. Plus opening cash at the cash equivalent. So opening cash and cash is also given in problem, that is 6,800. So closing cash and cash equivalent. That is, please you check in balance sheet, that is 11,200 rupees.